I'm getting ready to make creamy tuna noodle casserole from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. And honestly, tuna noodle casserole is like one of my favorite comfort foods. For this recipe, you'll need 4-cup cooked whole wheat egg noodles. I couldn't find regular egg noodles. I went to 3 stores. I got penne. That's what we're using. 2 cans of tuna in water, drained. 3 cups mixed vegetables. 1 batch of homemade cream of chicken soup. And 1 teaspoon Mrs. Dash or salt-free herb seasoning. I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and I'm just going to mix all of my ingredients into here. I'm going to mix my tuna and mixed vegetables. I don't like peas, so I picked them all out. And my homemade cream of chicken soup all go in together, and then I'm gonna mix it. My oven just beeped to tell me it's ready. Your nutritional facts for this recipe are 1 serving is 2 cups. It has 368 calories, 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, 40 grams of carbohydrate, 6 grams of fiber, and 180 milligrams of sodium. When it looks like it's all mixed together well, add 1 teaspoon of salt-free seasoning, Mrs. Dash or whatever you can get your hands on. Mix that in well, and then you're going to transfer it to a casserole dish. Just like that. I scrape out everything. I want all the flavor I can possibly get out of the bowl. Just kind of mash it down. This goes into your 375-degree oven for 28 to 32 minutes. You want to bake it till it's hot and light and golden. There it is. I'm going to give it a taste. It cooked for about 30 minutes, and then it says to let it set for 5. Now this is going to be just for me because nobody else in my house eats it. The taste of my childhood. I used to love it when my mother made tuna noodle casserole. And this will be all mine. Check this out and follow along. See you next time.